Have you ever looked at a property and thought, that's just another house? Well, what if I told you that hidden inside that house is a fortune waiting to be unlocked? Real estate is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world. It has created more millionaires than any other industry, yet so many people never take advantage of it because they believe it's too complicated, too expensive, or too risky. Today, I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. Whether you have zero experience or money, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to get started in real estate and how to build long-term wealth from it. And stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal the biggest real estate mistakes that keep people broke and how you can avoid them. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry, yet most people never take advantage of it. Why? Because they believe it's too expensive, it's too risky. I don't have time. But here's the truth. Anyone can get started in real estate, even if you have no experience, little money, or a full-time job. The key is understanding the right strategies, picking the right market, and taking action. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. How real estate makes people rich, the best strategy for beginners, how to buy your first property, even with little money, how to avoid the biggest mistakes that cost new investors thousands. And at the end, I'll give you a special strategy to build wealth even faster. Let's dive in. Why real estate is the best investment? Let's start with the big question. Why real estate? Why not stocks, crypto, or a business? Here's why real estate is one of the most powerful and reliable ways to build wealth. Checkmark cash flow. Unlike stocks, real estate can provide a steady stream of monthly passive income through rent. Appreciation. Over time, properties tend to increase in value, meaning you build wealth without doing anything. Leverage. Banks will loan you up to 80 to 90% of the money to buy a house, meaning you can own a $200,000 property by putting down just $10,000 or less. Tax benefits. You can deduct mortgage interest, depreciation, and other expenses, saving thousands in taxes every year. Inflation protection. As prices rise, so do property values and rent, making real estate a natural hedge against inflation. Simply put, real estate is the best way to turn a small amount of money into long-term generational wealth. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. These are just some of the biggest reasons why 90% of millionaires invest in real estate. Now let's talk about how you can get started. Types of real estate investing. There are 4 main types of real estate investing, each with different levels of risk and reward. 1. Residential real estate. This includes single-family homes, duplexes, apartments, and townhouses. Best for beginners, easier to buy and finance. Generates monthly rental income. 2. Commercial real estate includes office buildings, retail stores, and shopping malls. Higher rental income, but requires more experience and higher upfront costs. 3. Industrial real estate includes warehouses, manufacturing plants, and storage units. High demand due to e-commerce growth, but requires large investments and longer leases. 4. Raw land investing. Buying undeveloped land and waiting for value to increase. Can be profitable, but long-term play with no immediate cash flow. For beginners, the best option is single-family homes because they're affordable, easy to manage, and generate steady rental income. How to get started with single-family homes. Now, let's walk through the exact steps you need to take to buy your first property and start making money. Step 1. Choose your strategy. There are multiple ways to make money in real estate, and your strategy will determine how you move forward. The most popular methods include buy and hold rentals, buy a property, rent it out, and collect monthly income. Fix and flip, buy a home, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. House hacking, live in one unit while renting out the others to reduce or eliminate your living expenses. Lease options, rent to tenants who have the option to buy the property from you later. Wholesaling, find a great deal, put it under contract, and sell it to another investor for quick cash. If you're a beginner, the easiest and safest strategy is buying a single-family rental because it generates passive income while your property value increases. Step 2. Find the right market. Not every city is a good place to invest. You need to find a market where you can actually make money. Look for areas with check job growth. More jobs mean more people looking for housing. Population growth. The more people moving in, the higher the demand. Affordable prices. Avoid expensive markets that make it hard to generate positive cash flow. Low crime and good schools. Properties in safe neighborhoods with strong schools attract better tenants. Great markets right now include mid-sized cities with affordable housing, such as Atlanta, Phoenix, Dallas, and parts of the Midwest. Step 3. Find a profitable deal. You make money in real estate when you buy, not when you sell. So you need to find properties at a discount. Some of the best ways to find off-market deals include foreclosures and auctions. Banks sell properties at below-market prices. Direct mail marketing. Send letters to homeowners looking to sell quickly. Networking with agents and investors. The more people you know, the more deals you'll find. Driving for dollars. Look for distressed properties in good neighborhoods and contact the owners. A good deal is when you can buy a property below market value and rent it out for more than your expenses. The American dream. Why housing will always be in demand for generations. Owning a home has been a core part of the American dream. Even today, people dream of home ownership because it represents financial stability, independence, generational wealth. And here's why that benefits real estate investors like you. More renters mean more rental demand. More buyers mean higher home values. The cycle keeps repeating. So whether you're renting out a house or selling for a profit, you're tapping into a market that will always exist. The best strategies for real estate investing. Once you know what type of property to buy, you need to choose a strategy. Here are some of the best. Traditional rentals. Buy a house and rent it out for passive income. Fix and flip. Buy low, renovate, and sell for a profit. Lease options. Rent to own. Rent to tenants who eventually buy the home from you. House hacking. Live in one unit while renting out others. Wholesale real estate. Find great deals, sign a contract, and sell it to another investor for quick cash. Of all these, lease options are one of the best low-risk, high-reward strategies. You get more money than a rental and avoid the headaches of bad tenants. The best strategy for beginners. So, which strategy is best if you're just getting started? Buy and hold rentals. Here's why. Steady passive income. You make money every month. Appreciation. Property values rise over time. Leverage. Use the bank's money to buy assets. Predictability. Unlike stocks, real estate isn't volatile. The 3 rules in real estate investing. If you follow these 3 rules, you'll make money in real estate and avoid costly mistakes. Rule number 1. Buy below market value. Always buy properties at a discount. Why? Because you make money when you buy, not when you sell. Rule number 2. Cash flow is king. Never buy a property that won't generate monthly cash flow. Example, if your mortgage has $1,000 rent income, while it's $1,500 profit, there's $500 per month in passive income. Rule number 3. Location is everything. Good location. If in higher property value, more rental demand. Look for job growth, population growth, and low crime. So there you have it. The ultimate guide to getting started in real estate. If you follow this step-by-step approach, you can build a real estate empire faster than you ever thought possible. Now, before you go, let me ask you, do you want to build a 7-figure empire in 2025? Do you want to avoid the biggest wealth-building traps that keep people broke? Then you need to watch my latest video. Wanted to build a 7-figure empire? In 2025, I'd do this 7 wealth-building traps to avoid. Click iCard to watch it now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you found this helpful. Let's build wealth together. Money Fire.